Should I start?
Yes.
This parrot on my table was found yesterday in the school premises in one of the classroom. When the media personnel came, he went to the classroom and there were some boys that followed the parrot. He was brought down near the gate and for almost half an hour or more than that, the parrot was on the hand of the media personnel. The students played with the parrot for a long time, and by the end of the day, maybe about 10:30 or so, the one of the student claimed that the parrot belonged to him, and he was reluctant to go home, stating that the parrot had to be handed over. But then I decided we have to give the parrot to the lawful owner, and the second thought came to my mind to hand it over to the forest department. Nevertheless, my peer sir, Mr. Alton Fernandez, stated that he would take the custody, take him home, feed him because he was slightly injured. And after keeping him today morning about 10 o'clock, my manager, priest from the Holy Spirit Church, gives me a call stating that some people have come to claim for the parrot. And on inquiry, we brought the parrot back from Alton's home, and he's seated over here. And the lawful owner, they said, claiming that he was Coco, the name of the parrot was Coco, came to claim him. We went to the police station. We already drafted a letter asking the police to do the needful because we did not want to handle the case as we may not make a correct decision. But nevertheless, now the police has also said that they did not want to take the case. Again, the parrot was brought here to my office, and now in the presence of the media, I am handing over the parrot to the person who claims that it belongs to that person. But nevertheless, I said, another person, if it comes, then we may have to take a decision and give the same to the person concerned tomorrow. So right now I'm handing over the parrot.
Madam, how many person had come to claim?
There were at least 5 people who claimed. There were 2 students from our school who claimed that another parish. Yes, one Ambaji person from an Ambaji resident came. They all are from which place? Madel. So they have come from Madel. So we are handing over the parrot to the person who have come from Madel.
What did you say the name is of the parrot?
The parrot is called Coco, but when the owners claimed and called his name, he is not responding. In fact, he is a very friendly creature, goes on the hand of everyone. So I think it is a parrot which was, well trained, and they claim that from the childhood they were feeding him Cerelac. He has got wings which were cut by them. So all those claims, keeping that in mind, now we have decided to give it to the person from Maria. What's her name?
Maria Coutinho.
We are handing over the parrot to Maria Coutinho.
Thank you, ma'am.
तो parrot मुला मगो
होय रे बाबा, हांगलो.
कितू दिन जाल तेका
1 year 2 months.
आणि सुटल केस पण तो
ते कुदो ना वयलो आनी तेका भायल्यान सुकोवन दवरलो आनी व्हडबायेन तेका परते भितर अशें करून ते हातीन घेवन ते परते भितर वताले तो तेगे हातीन तुला सुटोन गेलो.
मॅडम हे सांगितलं तो एग्री आहा न्हू
होय.
ओके मॅडम थँक्यू
Thank you.